Hi guys, long time no see. I hope this finds you well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sheba and I'm glad to see you here. So today I want us to learn how to bake a cake without an oven, and this is after three or three trials. So it's not a guarantee that the first time you try that you'll be able to do this. So it needs persistence and learning from your mistakes every now and then. Let's do this. I begin with preparing my baking tin. I'm calling this sufuria baking tin because that is what I'm going to use. But it's a sufuria, a small size. But if you have a baking tin, you can use it. I'm doing this tutorial with items that you can easily find within your house, that you don't have to go out and buy stuff, especially if you're not doing this for commercial purposes. So to prepare my tin, I'll first I'm using Blue Band. You can use Blue Band, you can use margarine, you can use your cooking oil. Just make sure that you spread it all around the sufuria, and then take up your all-purpose flour and spread it around your tin, so that once you put your cake mixture inside, it won't stick to the sufuria. And after you're done, any excess flour, just dispose of. I baked my cake for 45 minutes and I'm using this toothpick to check whether it's ready. If you dip a toothpick into the cake and it comes out clear, like without any content sticking on it, then it's ready. It's already baked. Remove it and then leave it aside to cool for like 20 minutes and then you can consume everything if you can. Thanks for watching and I do hope to see you in the next video.